We're back at Mamnoon, a unique Middle Eastern restaurant in Seattle's Capitol Hill. The restaurant strives to create a social space for guests from all cultures with its welcoming atmosphere and fresh and tasty meze-style plates.
Really fresh, and it's a nice casual environment.
It's not something you see a lot in Seattle. You don't see a whole lot of great Middle Eastern restaurants.
We kind of focus on Lebanese, Syrian cuisine with some Persian inspiration as well. That's the owner's heritage, and so we try to incorporate all those things into our cuisine.
Head chef Carrie Machaney told me how she depends on Washington-grown produce to help create Mamnoon's unique and authentic Middle Eastern menu.
We can focus on local ingredients that we can't find in Lebanon or Syria, and try to emulate those traditional dishes with our food that we grow here.
Time to head to the Mamnoon kitchen.
We're going to be making a couple of dishes.
Yes.
What are we going to make first?
The first dish we'll be making is called a fateh. It's a yogurt dish served with crispy pita. We have local asparagus and green chickpeas and nettles.
Nice. And so these are the beautiful chickpeas, fresh and green. I don't know if people really see these like this very often.
The season is very short and they're very hard to harvest. They're each one is covered in a tiny thin shell that you have to peel off.
It's a little present.
It's a little present.
Okay. So what do we need to do?
So first we're going to start by browning some butter.
Chef Carrie browns the butter and adds some pine nuts while I slice some garlic.
When I was in Lebanon, we had this dish everywhere we went. It reminds me of like a very high-end sort of nachos.
When the pine nuts are toasted, we add my garlic to the pan.
Pine nuts, butter, and garlic. It smells delicious.
And now it's time to warm our yogurt and nettles together. We then put our warmed yogurt to the side and bring back our browned butter, garlic, and pine nuts. Now it's time to add those beautiful green chickpeas and asparagus.
So how is this all going to come together? So we have the dip, and then we have this. Will it all get mixed together? Or
No, we're gonna. So the word fateh means to kind of layer and scatter. So we're basically just going to do that.
When everything is cooked and ready, it's time to scatter. First, I lay down the toasted pita, and then we pour on our warm yogurt.
We're layering and scattering.
Last but not least, we pour on our brown buttered vegetables. Sprinkle some parsley on top, and we're ready to dig in.
It's warm and creamy and super fresh tasting.
Yeah.
So I'll just keep eating, and you keep cooking, and then I'll eat some more.
Perfect.
After a few more bites, it's time to start making a lentil soup.
We're going to use red lentils. Beans and lentils are very high in protein, very, very good source of nutrition for vegetarians and everyone, really.
Yeah.
And they've been harvested for like 10,000 years, cultivated.
So we know they're good.
So they're good.
That's right.
We start by sautéing onions, carrots, and garlic in olive oil until the vegetables are soft. Next, we add in our different spices.
So toasting them will definitely bring out their oils and make them way more aromatic.
And they seem to go really well with lentils.
Yes, lentils, they can take on, that's a great thing about legumes, they take on kind of whatever flavor you cook them in.
Finally, we add in our red lentils and let them cook until they are soft enough to puree. And soon, our soup is ready for the bowl. Add a drizzle of coriander oil, some cilantro, and our lentil soup is complete.
That is delicious. Earthy.
Very earthy,
And
the spices come out, and the
Does.
cilantro,
the lentils are amazing. It's healthy too.
And healthy. Yeah, this is completely vegan.
Give us good skin.
Yes, exactly.
To get Mamnoon's recipe for their fateh and red lentil soup, head over to wagrown.com.